Welcome NRIs. Are you looking for ways to grow your wealth back in India? Let us explore various investment options available to you. As an NRI, you've built a life abroad, but India remains special. Investing here can secure your future, help your family, and even allow you to own a piece of your home. But with so many options, where do you begin? Don't worry, let us be your guide. Fixed deposits. FDs are a low-risk option offering guaranteed returns for a set period. Ideal for those seeking stability. They come in NRE and NRO variants depending on your income source and currency preference. Mutual funds. These pool money from investors and invest it in stocks, bonds, and other assets. This provides diversification and professional management. NRIs can invest in equity, debt, or balanced mutual funds depending on their risk appetite. Equity markets. For those comfortable with market fluctuations, direct stock market investment offers potentially high returns. NRIs can invest under the Portfolio Investment Scheme. Remember, in-depth research is crucial for success. Real estate. Owning property in India can provide rental income and capital appreciation. NRIs can invest in residential or commercial properties. Explore legalities and choose a reputable developer. Alternative investment funds. AIFs offer a chance to invest in a broader asset class compared to traditional options. They can invest in private equity, venture capital, hedge funds, real estate assets, and more. This potentially leads to higher returns but also carries greater risks. Portfolio Management Services. PMS is a customized investment portfolio managed by a dedicated professional. You discuss your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon with the advisor who then builds and manages a portfolio based on your needs. We've explored a variety of investment avenues for NRIs in India. Remember, diversification is key. Consider your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon before making a decision. For personalized advice, consult a financial professional specializing in NRI investments.